Have an HPS file from Frictional Games engine modding. This is an HPL script used in Amnesia and Penumbra games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these HPL script files for game development. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any HPS file. Let's try the simple solutions first. HPS. Files are script files using HPL Helpimax Programming Language, the scripting language used by Frictional Games. HPL engine powering Amnesia, The Dark Descent, Penumbra, and SOMA. They contain game logic scripts including event handlers, puzzle mechanics, dialog triggers, and gameplay scripting enabling custom content creation and modifications. HPL Script. HPS. Files use a C++-like syntax with engine-specific functions for game manipulation. The format includes function definitions, event callbacks, variable declarations, and game state manipulation calls, following Frictional Games HPL engine API specifications. Scripts run within the game engine controlling specific level or gameplay behaviors. The designated application for the HPS file is Microsoft Notepad from Microsoft Corporation. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows may show the code clearly, yet proper execution requires compatible development tools. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your HPS file, then click Open With. Test Microsoft Notepad if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If you cannot access the HPS file, no problem. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the HPS format. First, editing in text editor. Open HPS files in any text editor like Notepad++, Sublime Text, or VS Code with C++ syntax highlighting since HPL syntax resembles C++. The plain text format enables direct script editing with code highlighting, making syntax recognition and editing efficient for development of custom game content and modifications. Next, using with level editor. Edit HPS files alongside their corresponding map files, using the HPL level editor included with Frictional Games SDK tools. The editor connects scripts with level events and triggers, providing visual integration of script functionality with map design for cohesive custom level development workflows. Finally, testing in game. Test HPS scripts by loading custom maps in Amnesia, Penumbra, or SOMA. Place script files in the appropriate custom story folders following Frictional Games modding documentation. The game engine loads and executes scripts during gameplay, enabling iterative development with in-game testing of script behavior. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.